boat when I was going by down the road. You guys gotta check this out, man. I'd never seen one like this. This guy's got it for sale. He's right by my house. We were driving by going back from lunch, and we saw this cool boat sitting in this guy's thing for sale. Here's his number if you guys are interested. For now, I'll block it out later if well, call him. He's got a few of these things for sale all the time. But it's supposed to be like a 57 year, like to pull with your Bel Air or whatever, and has the 7-rig motor on it. Check that out, man. That's 450 horsepower. 450. Wow. Or 45. 450. I don't know how many horsepower that really is. I don't think it's 450. I doubt it. But it's cool. Look at the inside. Check out this dash. It's even got this cool roof on it so you don't get too hot. Yeah, it's got, yeah, is that a radio? Or that's a... Dude, man, you got to take this thing out just once to go check it out. Let's check this out here. Look at that horn. That's cool. And then this thing here. Cool handle too. I guess that's weird. It has a handle like that, you know. Guess you can grab it and pull it in. All this chrome that's on it's all there. That's really cool. Little crack in the plastic, is that, or no? That's the way it is. Supposed to be that way. Wow, look at that steering wheel. That is bitchin'. Huh. Really cool. What's this thing called? Glastron. And it's been restored. So the underneath is probably pretty solid. Yeah, it feels solid. Doesn't feel like it's got any crunchies. But that's pretty cool. Look at this motor. Let's check that out. Starlight. That's bitchin'. I don't know how it could be 450 horsepower, but it looks like it gets it pretty good. This is all in pretty good shape. Back here, there's no cracks and anything back here. That'd be a problem if it was. Check that out. Look at the interior. Pretty neat. Let's take a look at it from far away again. That's the part I like. Look at the style of that boat right there. God, they just don't make them like that anymore. Let's look at this. Oh, man, that thing looks so cool.
Oh yeah, let me get your number. Give him a car. He never called him a motorcycle car.
Okay. That's not scary.